Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your friendship with the penguin in Heartopia before it leaves. So there's like one more week of the penguin being here. And if you want to, hold on, let me just go to animals. If you want to get the live fragment and the animal interaction, for instance, as well as the um ornament here as well for bond level 5. You do need to feed it quite often their favorite food, which is fall scad, and then they also like common prawn, and there's one more here, which is I think this is a sardine. Um, and basically just feed it like every chance you get if their trough isn't full and you level up with them pretty quickly. I do need to do that more often, but I sometimes forget. But that is how you can level up. I'm on like level 3, almost 4. Have one more week, and hopefully, I'm able to get bond level 5 because I really want this one because it is going to leave, unfortunately. So, don't forget to feed the penguins every single day. If you can, like every few hours or so, just check their trough and kind of see if there is enough food or not so you can level up with them. Unfortunately, you cannot level up throughout like interactions because that would be easier, but yeah, it is what it is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.